Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a low pony, then we are going to lift it up and then loose it out. After that we are going to apply this clip at one side and then taking all of the remaining hair of the ponytail, applying this rubber band, and then we are going to fold it into a bun with the help of this bobby pin. Next we are taking a high ponytail. We are going to take a little part from the starting, hold it along and applying a rubber band. Then at some space we are again going to apply a rubber and folding it out into this bun. We are going to secure it by using this pin as you can see here, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take all of the hair and then by using our finger we are going to convert it into this long bun. After that we are going to loosen it up a little bit and then giving it a structure. Then at last we are going to apply this pin. Next we are taking a ponytail, then we are going to lift it up and then underneath it we are going to apply this beautiful white clip, then taking all of the remaining hair and then folding it out into a bun. Next we are taking a high pony and then we're going to apply this fluffy rubber band, and by using this only we are going to convert the hair into a simple bun. Next we are taking all of the hair and then we are going to use our finger for folding and twisting the hair into this elongated hairstyle. After that we are going to apply this butterfly pin for securing our hair. Next we are going to divide our hair into 3 parts and then we're going to start making a braid as you can see in the video. After that we are going to fold the braid and then we are going to secure it with a clip, and then you can see a simple yet beautiful hairstyle is completed. Thanks for watching.